Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on and use TalkBack on Infinix phone. Friends, you want to use TalkBack on your Infinix phone, so then how to on and use TalkBack Infinix phone today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to use TalkBack. How to on TalkBack? Friends, you can on your TalkBack from guys your special function setting. Guys, turn on your special function setting, and once you can see your game mode. Friends, you want to on your game mode, so friends you can on your game mode from here. Friends, you can see guys your last accessibility setting, so guys click on accessibility. Friends, you can see accessibility menu, translate, live trans this setting. So friends, click on guys your TalkBack is here, so we'll click on TalkBack. Use TalkBack, tap here, and guys you will have to give permission from here, allow option, tap here to on TalkBack. So guys the TalkBack will on, and how to use one tap and double tap to close. And once you cannot use your TalkBack with your one finger guys, so two finger guys you can scroll your screen. So guys click on one tap on back button, and guys continue two tap, one tap, and guys continue two tap. So once you can use your phone with your two finger, one finger guys you cannot scroll it. So you click on home button, and guys how to close app guys, last one tap, double tap, two finger you can close app, one finger you cannot close, double click, one click and double click to on setting guys. So let's click any icon, double tap to on setting. Setting is not on guys, don't worry guys, scroll it. And once you want to use guys your file, so I double click to open file. So we will swipe, and once click on phone setting, one tap and double tap here, setting will on. So as a person who is blind guys, they use TalkBack. How? Because guys they cannot see screen, so guys they use TalkBack with double tap. Like they want to on YouTube, so they listen YouTube sound and they double tap to on YouTube. So guys, they use TalkBack like that. So I hope friends you understood how to on and use TalkBack on Infinix phone. Friends, you want to off, so how to off guys, click on phone setting, double tap, scroll with your two finger guys, and once click on special function, one tap and double tap here. Once again scroll it, accessibility setting, one tap, double tap. TalkBack setting is one tap, double tap here guys, double tap, stop, double tap. So as your TalkBack will off, and once easily friends you can use your phone without any TalkBack. So like that we can on and off TalkBack, and we can use in Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.